What's up, Buff Riders? Welcome back. I am KG. This is Rough to be Buff TV, and we are talking about fat loss today. With fat loss has to come accuracy. So when you are trying to lose weight, you have to what? One, be in a caloric deficit, and two, make sure you're getting adequate protein intake in order for you to spare and maintain any sweet, precious muscle that you have on that beautiful body of yours. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be taking down 3 different meal preps that I purchased from my own meal prep service. It's through Fitness Chef Jane. I'll put the link here somewhere up on the screen, probably right down in here somewhere. I am going to weigh out and I'm going to measure all 3 different meals within my meal preps. I'm gonna give you guys calorie breakdowns, macro breakdowns. I wanna do this because I think it's important to give you guys examples. If you're uncertain of how many calories are going into your body and you're just guessing, it is going to be much, much more difficult for you to stay in a fat loss phase. So, oh, excuse you. This is my your Gambit burping. So,
Here, little Gambit, you burping like crazy. Is that a food chunk?
first things first, let's get into weighing our food. Okay, so the first meal that we are going to weigh out is a classic chicken and rice dish. 3 little tenders here. I'm gonna put the lime off to the side, and then we have some rice. So we're gonna weigh all of that. I'm gonna turn the scale on. And this might, okay, perfect. We are at 0 grams. Now what we want to do is we want to weigh out the dish that we're weighing the food in. So that is 21 grams. I'm gonna hit the tare button. So that's going to negate and put our scale back to 0. So if I take this off, you should see 21 or 22 grams. Perfect, 22 grams, okay? So, because we don't want to take into account this in the weight of our food that we're putting on the scale. So I'm gonna place that back on there. You should see that at 0. My hands are washed. They are coronavirus free. We'll switch this over to ounces. So everyone usually measures their protein in ounces. That's 8.29 ounces of chicken. So we're gonna write that down. I'm gonna put that into myfitnesspal. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh my rice. So this is, check this out, boom, quick and easy. Flip it over, voila. 7.30 ounces of rice. We are going to put those into myfitnesspal and we're gonna take a look at what they come out calorically and as far as their macronutrients go. Okay, we're cutting back. I'm editing right now. I'm actually editing, and I just realized that I logged it as canned chicken and not just regular chicken breast. So we're doing a video on accuracy. That's why it's important to double check your work, but I didn't want these numbers to be off. So the numbers that you guys hear at the end of this vlog are gonna be off by 70 calories and by roughly like 4 grams of protein, okay? So it's gonna be a very, very small difference, but this is about accuracy because I'm sure someone's gonna be in the comments like, hey, that's canned chicken, not chicken breast. Okay, so for the chicken and rice dish, 446 calories, 47 grams of carbohydrate, 51 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat. Because I didn't want anyone in the comments being like,
Oh, the numbers are off. It's canned chicken, not chicken breast.
meal number 1 is complete. Let's get into meal number 2. In that second meal, what are we looking at here? We are looking at 2.5 ounces of broccoli, 2.5 ounces of zucchini, and almost 3 ounces of black beans. And then we had 3 ounces of turkey. Macro breakdown, meal number 2. 60 grams of carbohydrates, 7 grams of fat, 35 grams of protein, 431 calories. So combined for my 2 meal preps so far, we are at 807 calories. Let's log meal number 3. So I completely logged the 3rd meal, the rice, the pineapple slice. I'm making a mess in here. The bun, the yaki sauce, the turkey burg, the greens, and the onions. 895 calories, 135 grams of carbohydrate, 24 grams of fat, and 39 grams of protein. So in total for all 3 of my meal preps, and this is not gonna be all my calories because I do need to be eating about 24 to 2,800 a day, depending on my activity levels for me to maintain my weight. We are at 1,702 calories. As far as the macro breakdown goes, 111 grams of protein, 243 grams of carbohydrate, 23 grams of fiber, 27 grams of sugar, and 35 grams of fat. So there you guys have it. Accuracy is extremely important when it comes to your fat loss phase. If you are just guessing your calories, then you are setting yourself up for failure. Accuracy, accuracy, accuracy. I cannot stress this enough going into the new year. So know exactly what's going into your body and then reap the benefits and rewards. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am KG. This is Rough to Be Buff TV. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.